What's up, YouTube? It's your boy ToriGTV, back at it with another freaking video. I told y'all I was gonna post every week. If you haven't already, go watch my last video. Back in the game, about to get started. But as you can see by the title, you already know what this video gonna be about. So I'm excited, I'm hyped, I'm lit. So let's get into the unboxing. Here it is. This the box. It comes in. If y'all don't know, I'm talking about the Fenty skin. I'm pretty sure y'all know, that's why you watching. But this the box it came in. This the outside of it. I haven't opened it yet. I cut this part though, so it'll be, you know what I'm saying. Let's see. Okay. So they got this little, this the receipt. This little thing on here. Fenty. I really forgot like the order to put it in, but okay. It's the fat water. This the moisturizer. Okay. Yeah. I'm probably gonna get like that. And this is the cleanser. Yep. So here we are. And here's the box. This the box. It's just a regular little box. Like, it just got a website and stuff in the bottom. Yeah, so here are the products. And like, I've been looking for me like something for my skin, but I really never found nothing. Like, I've been trying different stuff, and my skin is not bad, but I need a haircut. Just ignore it. I just got the shower and stuff. So I tried to do everything out with it. Do I need a line? I'm growing my hair, but I just need a hairline. Anyway, this yeah, I've been looking for a skin routine, like just to keep my skin. I got, like I said, my skin is not that bad, but like as you can see, I got like small little bumps and like just little really tiny bumps. So I seen this. And I've been trying everything else, and I really feel like I watched a few reviews of this, like people starting it out, and I like the products that's in it, like the ingredients that she used with it. And yeah, so I'm gonna let y'all come on this journey with me. I'm gonna do all three. I'm gonna put this together in here because it's telling me that I have to insert it. Okay. As far as like the packaging, it's cool. I just thought it would be like a little more, but like for this, ooh, fancy. It's not that, the products aren't that expensive, so I really didn't expect much from the packaging, but it's dope. I like it. Twist. And you like it. Oh, so you twist it up, twist it down, remove. Here go all three of them. I'm country, all three of them. But yeah, this all of them right here. And yeah, let's get to the video. Alright, y'all, so I'm back. And I'm about to actually put on the, actually do the crap. I don't know what to call it, but you start with the, I'm gonna start with the total cleanser, and it's supposed to like remove it all, remove all the dirt and everything. So I'm gonna rinse my face first. And I want to just say, like I said, I didn't have like a skin routine or nothing like that, and I always like been on top of my skin. Like, I've always been that type of person, to have good hygiene, good skin, and things like that. So that's another reason I kind of bought this, because like I said, my skin is kind of like hard to, I don't know, a lot of products just don't work for me. Like, I got dry skin sometimes, and then it's like right now, I don't even know what it's doing right now. Like I got dry skin, so like I just got the shower and I haven't put nothing on my skin at all. Like this is just like how I look at the shower. But here we go. I'm gonna just like put some water on my face so I can rinse it. Even though I just rinsed it in the shower. Okay. Okay, here we go. And this is the, like I said, this the total cleanser, and it's supposed to like remove all the dirt and stuff. And it's a quick, easy like twist. That's how it's like open down here. So twist. I don't think you're supposed to use that much of it. It's pink. I didn't expect that. It smell good. So you put it on and you just rub it in a small. And it's not meant to stay on long. It's like just a rinse off. It smells good. It smells like lotion. Like a warm lotion. It's soft. It feels like lotion. Like it feel like I'm rubbing lotion in. Oh. Alright, and I'm gonna rinse this off now. Look at my hair. Whoa. Here go my skin afterwards. And I kinda already see a difference. I could be forcing, but I really do feel like I see a difference. Could y'all see a difference? My hair look white. This is my favorite one I'm ready to try. This fat water. Everybody been talking about it, like saying how it feel real good. Well, my skin really do feel soft. Like it really feels soft after just this first one right here, the total cleanser. So this fat water, it's a toner, I think, and it's just supposed to like tone your skin and stuff like that. Yeah, it says instantly refine the looks of pores, reduces lock of dark spots, even skin tone, you know, stuff like that. Alright. And this one got the twist top too. You just have to like peel it off. Just like that. I don't know why that one had one, but this one didn't. Alright, smell it. I don't know if they got the same smell, but I don't think it take much. Yeah. This one smell real citrusy. Lemon. It feels so smooth. It feel like, honestly, it feel like I'm rubbing hand soap, like antibacterial soap. That little hand soap that we at the gas station in the store. It feel like that kind of soap, just rubbing in your face. It's real thin and it's not thick. And it feels smooth on my face. It make my face feel smooth. So this kind of the look after the fat water. It's cool. Like, I know that sounds lame, but it's like cool. Like, my face feel cool, and I feel like, I don't know, I look lighter for some reason. And then this the last one. This the moisturizer. I don't really know like all the like products honestly that she have, and I looked up a few. Like the I think this is the one with the SPF. Maybe it's this one, but I know one of them has something for sunscreen. It's this one, I'm sure, the moisturizer. And it come out this thing like this, and it has like the instructions on here. And you just click it, drop it in there, twist. Let me see. Oh yeah. Okay. Here we go. I think this will be good. And to be honest, this one got a fresh fragrance. Like, it smell like, it don't smell bad, but it's a fragrance. Some people don't like to use, you know, fragrance type stuff on their skin. I know for myself, I kinda don't either, but I'm gonna try this. Oh, this is really smooth. This definitely feel like lotion. It smells good now that it's on my face. Yeah, I think this is my favorite one. This last one. Yes, sir. My hair look white, by the way, because shoes got some grease up in there. But here's my after. There we go. Hopefully y'all can see what y'all think. I should have showed y'all like a before, like this. But that's it. My hair look bad, don't judge. But to be honest, I think the products are really good. I'm gonna come back like 2 weeks and like follow up on this review as to like, has it worked? Is it working? Is my skin getting worse? Is my skin getting better? And things like that. If you haven't already, you know, catch up on your boy videos. I'm back in the game. I know I was gone for a couple of months or whatever, but I'm back like I never left. Check out my last video. Check out all the other videos. Catch up with your boy. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up. Hit the notification bell. And make sure y'all follow me on my other social medias, because your boy is lit. When I tell you it's lit, like it's up. Hey, it's up. And if you're not there, like following, you know, the game, then you just, what you doing? Where you at? What you doing? That's it. So, that being said, peace. God, see you next time. Make sure get y'all copies. Cause it's dope.